Ahoy there, captains! Captain Party Pants here. No destroyer is safe. Carriers. Oh boy. Finna put on a clinic. I should look at this. Oh yeah, because I never play the Zuma. Zama? Stage progress? Why am I not making any progress? Can I just pay for the progress? +0. Huh. I don't know. That's weird. Anyways. Maybe it's because I don't have that yet. I'll forever be on that until I have that ship. Hmm. 10 defended, captured, or what was even? Well, I'm probably not going to get captured or assisted. What a... Okay. So, in one of these silly games, we're going to have to assist in a capture. Oh, shoot. Oh, gosh. Okay. Ugh. Keep it in. Keep it in. So, let's see what kind of progress we got going on here. Hermes, Arcarel. Okay, so we started... Okay, well, let's just see what we got. Oh, did I start the host show? Yeah, I did. And... What was the deal with this? Overview. Okay. Oh, so, well... I don't really know. Huh. Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's go get some destroyers. The hunt begins. We're kind of in some low tiers, so we got some low tier madness going on as well. I consider tier 3 and below low tier madness. I mean, I feel like 3 is where a lot of the lines start. So, like, you got that kind of counts. Otherwise, you just have cruisers and DDs. Or maybe even just cruise. Well, no. Yeah, cruisers and DDs. Oh, yeah, we're loading in. Here comes the Havoc. Warrior's Path. Pushing through the center of the map is a poor tactic. Look at this cool little skin I put on it. Is that some kind of dragon theme? We have a Marblehead, an Isuzuki, Königsberg, Clemson, Nevada, De Ruyter, Corvette, and a De Ruyter. Very cool. So it's a 1DD game. Look at how cool this looks. This whole outlook. Oh, good. We got chatter on the box out of our destroyer, which I'm assuming is going to mean he's going to be pretty active captain over there. Oh, look at how cool this looks. Okay, well, yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure I can guess where the other destroyer is going to go. The same place ours is going. But he's probably going to want that white cap over there is where I guess he's going to go. Yep, there you are, buddy. You're lucky I don't got a fleet of Mavs I can sick on you. Alright. Yeah. Oh, cool. Paint on that Celebus. Where's the DD? Where's the DD, though? I gotta hit it. Shoot at something, right? Hey, good hit. And I spot, there he is right there in the center. Yes, I'm gonna get another go at you. Well, hang in there. Oh gosh, that sucks. Oh my gosh, I held it too long. Did he go up for me? Did he just beeline it for me? That's interesting. Yeah, get him, boys. Get him. Okay. So I can just go ahead and venture a silly old guess that that big old smoke bomb right over there is where that DD might be. Hey, nice work. Maybe? I don't know. I mean, I guess is that the... Oh boy. Oh, hey, I think we got another host show on our hands. Where you at? Where you at? There you are. I found you. Oh, good thing too, because you got a lot of torps on board. I know it. Maybe? Yeah? I'm gonna have enough for another go too. That's wonderful. Oh, step on the old gas pedal. Oh, let's find a way to whiff this. I might have hit that. Oh, nope. We got another whiff on our hands. Why don't we send out a torpedo or two, huh? Why is he going for me? That's such an interesting strategy. He's losing a ton of planes. Yeah, we're doing very well. This ice Kazi's gonna make me nervous until I take him off the board, though, because we're hunting DDs, am I right? Talking to myself. And we about got his number over here. It's gonna be surprising if he makes it through this minefield, but we'll stay afloat here, waiting for it to confirm. Oh, nope, yep, here we go. We're needed. We're needed. Which way is he going? He will never escape me. Dang it! I was gonna get a silly torp hit. Alright, well, you win some, you get robbed some. Here we go. Nice paint job on the Celebus as we come in. Swooping in low, coming in hot. Hoping for the jolly old best. And yeah, I think we're going to get a couple of them. Both of them, good hits. He's flooding. Let's see if he had that damage con ready. He did. Great. No extra damage out of that. It's all right. We didn't need it. Let's go hit him again. Is this guy still going for me? Oh my gosh, he is. Yeah, this other carrier player just keeps beelining for me. I think we're going to get a couple good hits out of that. Yep, we got a fire started on him. That's good. That's good. There aren't too many bad things to say about this. We got them right where we want them. Oh, baby. I think we might have got... Oh, De Reuter. That's alright. It's a team sport. I'm cramping up my legs again. I need to get more potassium in my diet. Yeah, this. What's the button? Yeah, let's throw him off and just like step on the gas. I don't know why this guy. Well, I might get sunk, but gosh darn, if we didn't get that DD out of the game pretty quick, huh? Our turn. All right, let's go. Okay, they're right over here. Let's go. My AA must not be very good. If he's been kind of hounding me the whole game and I've only got 9 planes shot down. You don't have to say it. I know you're impressed with the math. Now we're at an even 10. The amazes continue. Amazes? Here we go. Oh yeah, Captain Party Pants has your number, and I'm gonna give it a dial. Not gonna make that mistake again. Gonna get those bombs away. No fire. All right. Here he comes again. Here he comes again. Let's go. I'm gonna turn this way. Throw him all off. Yeah. Yeah. I feel like I'm fighting for my life over here. Hey, I got another assist. Can somebody chase down this carrier for the love of Pete? Let's see, I am at how many now? 12? 12 plates shot down? Oh God, please everyone turn your AA on, because if he keeps hounding me, I might go down. I hope your guys' AA is on. Oh, jeez. Yep, looks like it is. Wonderful to see. Thank you guys for the help. Really, really needed it. Nice job, Marblehead. High caliber. Oh, yeah. Here comes your reckoning, Ho-Sho. I knew I recognized those planes. Oh, how fitting if it ends up being me. It's not going to be me, but I'm going to watch it happen. Yeah. GG. GG. Oh, yeah. Middle of the road. That's where we aim. Okay. Let's return to port. Let's see what else we got in store here. Can we... Oh man, that looks like a long, hard climb up to that Riju. Basically nailed it. The Cosmolets. I believe I do recall how to play you. So let's go. Okay, no DD is safe. Let's hope for another 1DD game, or shoot, maybe even a no DD game, and I just get to farm damage. That'd be just neat. I'll probably end up in a 7DD game, and it'll be one carrier and however many other DDs. I bet I wouldn't survive very long in a match like that, but boy, that would be weird. All right, we're in the low tiers, so we're hoping for the jolly old best on these wait times. Oh, goodness gracious. I wonder if we're going to be able to see any beachings today, too. I might run some people into some beaches. It's pretty neat. Definitely going to run some people out of some smoke. That's for show. My goodness. I'm not going to go into an AI game again. I swear, the other night I was playing, I had to drop into an AI match. We lost. We lost. Oh my goodness. I didn't post that video. but when I was watching it back, I didn't even remember. I was like, oh my God, we lost. I forgot I was in the AI matches, I think. And when we lost, it was just like, oh, the realization hit me so hard. All right, we're loading in. Anyways, I win every game. Solomon Islands. You can fire trial shots before full salvo. Okay. Oh, fun map. Okay, we got a Koenig, De Ruyter, Kirov, Orion, and a no DD game? Oh! You ask and you shall receive in New York, Akuma, and a syllabus. Go ahead and wish you guys the best. It looks like there's going to be more firepower on our right, so I'll assist the boys to our left, my left. I don't know. Let's figure this out. Or I guess I could just cut right up the center and just start picking targets. Doesn't even matter. Well, these are really fun games, but I hope we don't have a lot of them because we're supposed to be hunting DDs out here. Yeah, I don't have a squadron of Mavericks to drop on ya. Here we go. He's gonna get full turn to me. I think maybe we can work out a hit. Ah, they weren't armed. Okay, well, that's really not cool. Is this guy going for me again? We got another game two in a row where we got 2 games in a row where the other carrier players go running right for me. And I think I want to be approaching some of these sideways. Oh, big hit, big hit. If we can turn this right here, we turn the tide. Got him.
Крейсер противника уничтожен.
Okay, it looks like we're losing on the right though, so I better hop in here, do something about it. The Queen Mary and an Iron Duke. I had kind of a one-on-one duel with the Queen Mary yesterday, I think it was. I lost that one, but oh yeah, it was I was in the Italian battleship, the Tier 3 one. I can't remember what it is. Yeah, and I kept trying to get in secondary range with those cool red shells, and boy howdy did I not want to do that in this particular moment. I think that's good. Oh, nice, all 4 of them. Beautiful. Yep, and we're gonna lose another ship on this flank. I'm still milking that Queen Mary, so that's good. He's gonna be off the board here in a moment. Yep, got the old assist there. Now I feel like I need to make sure we win the center. Because I'll have time to save this. Okay. Here I am. Here I am. Okay, hit. think I'm gonna get a hit there. Started 2 fires. That's wonderful. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, I think I want to approach from this side. I think we're going to get dev struck here. This Kirov is asking for it. I think he's broadside to this big old Wyoming. God, I'm so tense right now. I'm literally cramping up. Here we go. Yep. Hello. Oh, watch me mess this up. Watch me mess this up. I think we got him 4 times. I think we got him 4 times.
Линкор врага потоплен.
Yep. Okay, so now let's take out this DeRuyter. Oh no, yeah, we need to do something about this. Yeah, this DeRuyter's sailing a little too cleanly. Oh no, the New York went down now too. Oh, what a desperate struggle. Yeah, the Sagano. Yeah. Let's see about taking out the Sagano really quick. Good. Good.
Крейсер врага потоплен.
Okay. Ooh. Yeah. It's Emerald. How you're in really good shape here, Orion. We desperately need your assistance. Nice shot, Koenig.
Наша команда близка к победе.
Yep. Oh, man, this was a desperate fight there for a minute. Tough fights. She still might be. I think we're gonna be okay there. One, two, three, and 4. Oh. Any damage, Con, whatever. I think I did cause flooding. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh. What a championship. We're on a roll here today, captains. Yep, and he's straight up broadside to me. That is wonderful. I bet he stomps on his brakes. I bet he thinks he's gonna get clever. Nope, I'm outthinking myself. Only 1 hit. Yeah, I faked myself out there a little bit. Uh-oh. I better start. Oh. We better get the heck out of Dodge here, real quick, fast, and in a hurry. He's gonna slap me broadside here in half a tick. I can't even aim down any sights to see what he's looking at. I gotta be a mobile carrier in this game too. Jeez Louise. Come on, Cosmo, let's give her all she's got. Yep, there she is. Okay, I think we're downturned good enough. Let's just hope. Let's just send up hopes and prayers. Look at the cool torpedoes hanging off the bottom. Give me a break with some of this detail. Okay, he's on fire. Which begs the question, does he have damage cons ready? I think we got him pegged again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Whoa, wee. And he's still flooding. He is still flooding. Yep. What a day to be alive. I might get a high caliber out of this. I think that's how that works. Wow. Yep.
Линкор
Beautiful.
врага потоплен.
Beautiful. GG. What a game. I feel like 4? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My goodness gracious. Return to port, yo. Gosh, that was a jolly old great time. I feel like I should have been higher on the leaderboard here. Let's go ahead and take out this Ranger. You know what? What can we ship? I don't need any more ship XP on this, I don't think. Yeah, I just need to get enough Dolares to purchase the other one. So yeah, let's go ahead and kick some DD butt. Oh, golly. Put down some grass seed the other day. Pretty sure all I did was just feed the weeds. Anyways, back to this action. Crash zone. Let's go. Domination. Okay. We have ourselves a 3DD match. We have a Königsberg, Koenig, a Fubuki, a Jaguar, a Big Old Cali, another, an Icarus, and a Queen Mary. Okay. Let's go ahead and win our side before anything else. So I'm not constantly getting chased.
Action stations.
Let's go, guys. Oh my gosh, and I got a fleet of Mavs too. I got 3 of them. Give me a break. Let's go. I hope they don't go super wide around the outside of that. Because that's just like, oh my goodness. That's like a long ways outside. Wasting everybody's time. No one's even seen me yet. Oh, here we go. Okay. So that will probably tell me that there's a DD that he's following. That New York. Probably. Wow. Everybody, huh? Oh, the whole family showed up. Speaking of, hello, Kamikaze. I may have whiffed. Yeah, that was a whiff, but you know what? I might get another crack at her. Hurry. Yeah. I will get another crack. I think we got a good hit there. Yep, good hit. Okay, beautiful. We got some good damage off him too. Now let's see if we can't go finish that job. Oh man, I'm out of breath. God, I'm just winded. Maybe I'm just old and out of shape. Always winded up in these waters. Okay, here we go. Ismail throwing in some big shots here on this Königsberg. Ooh, good. Good dodges. Yep, there's those stupid torps. Gosh dang it. We need to get this DD out of here. Yep, he's gonna whiff those. And if he's He's probably on the other side of this island. So I'm probably gonna... Oh, nope. I am dead wrong. Here we are. Here we are, captains. Probably gonna try to get away. I don't think I let him enough. Maybe? He's gonna beach. I'm gonna force a beaching. Yep, there he is. A good old beaching. No DD is safe from me. Probably gonna stomp on the old gas and I'm gonna miss. Yeah. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Yeah, get that DD out of here. Okay, it looks like everyone engaged on our left flank here. And I am just a bane on this kamikaze. Uh-oh. That's not good. And that means we've completely lost on our right flank, so I should probably start creeping forward. Where are you at? Oh, is he over here? Did he get over there?
The enemy team has taken the lead.
We're good on that one. Yeah, another good hit. Another good hit. Okay. We're getting swept out here. So I'm gonna go up this way. Oh no. Yeah, it's not looking good, captains. It's not looking good, captains. Okay. Let's see if we can't take this New York off the board just to start getting something. Just to get something to happen, you know? Because we're going to need to start coming back a little bit here. He's right in the center, so he's probably not going to maybe last all that long, maybe. Oh man. Okay, so there's smoke. When there's smoke, there's usually DD. But yeah. Oh good. Well, this is a little jank, but here we go.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Oh gosh. Yep. I think this is GG for me. That's a good torp throw. Ah, no, maybe not quite
Hull
yet.
breach. We're taking on water quickly.
Nice job,
The enemy
Koenig.
is
Oh,
about to
there you
win.
are. Kabuki. Yeah. I know.
Torpedoes to
Oh,
starboard.
goodness gracious. Is he gonna get me again? I'm about to get got. GG. Yep, there I am in the distance.
The enemy
GG.
is about to win.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. He damaged con those fires. I think he's right here, so I'm gonna try to maybe match that. No. Okay, well, GG. And this guy went all the way around the outside. Yeah. Okay, well, what did we learn? I don't know. Probably not much. Let's be honest about it. Okay. That was a rough one. That was a rough one, to be sure. Hey, top of the loser board, though. Nice. That's cool. Okay, I've only got time for one more. So let's see what we got going on here. Which one do I want to end on? I had a good game in the host show. Is the German one available for purchase for me? I probably for 270. Yeah. Get those planes. Boosters, let's boost them up. Camouflage. Why not? Flag? Holiday collection. Yeah, I think these AP bombers are pretty neato. Take ship to battle. Let's go. I gotta assign her a commander. I only have one here. Increase ship secondary guns reload time. All right. Well. All right. Well, let's see what we got. You know, let's end with a new ship, a fun one. The AP bombs. That can, you know, that could be pretty neat. We are in some low tiers here. And we're loading in. Nice. Here we go. Okay, cool looking ship. We have a Svetlana, Karlsruhe, Duguay, Tron, Congo, Svetlana, Omaha. God bless you, Omaha. Phoenix, and the Nagano. And we have a no DD game. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ending on a no DD game. Oh, man. Okay, well, if there's no DDs to hunt, then let's put the women and children to bed and go looking for dinner. Am I right? Let's go. Y'all don't know about these waters. They're dangerous. Well, I could just about imagine what everybody's going to be doing. They're going to be pile driving here into B. You can about put a stamp on that. There's the first customer. Second customer. Third customer. Let's just get a hit with these AP shells just to see what it is. Oh no. That's good. Yeah. I don't know. Oh, get up there. Get up there, Mavs. Yeah, I only did 900 damage. Maybe I'm designed to just like take it out on cruisers. I don't know. I'll try that next. With all these battleships playing around with all these cruisers, there's going to be a dev strike coming somewhere. You can just about put a stamp on it. He's moving very quickly. I think I didn't lead him enough. I might get one. No, not gonna get one. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Okay, captains. We cannot end on a loss. Yeah, this Emil Burton feels really overextended out here against those two cruisers, unless he gets a double strike with any silly torpedoes he happens to throw out. Yeah. Let's go after him. Maybe? Yeah? Oh, I got two silly citadels? This is what they're meant for. This is what they're meant for. Ugh. Oh, my Lanta. But these guys are knocking on my door here, so I gotta do something about that. Oh my gosh, and this Congo is just sitting directly broadside. Oh, we're gonna see a beaching in the wild? I do believe we will. We are seeing that, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful, beautiful. Catching a lot of flack though. Yeah, let's just maybe try to get back home. Yeah, we need to get... Okay, I need to start working down this Britain. But my AP bombs aren't really going to do much. At least they haven't in the past. But I guess you know what? Let's aim for superstructure and hope for the old best. This is going to be a good torp toss. Who threw that? Omaha? Wow. Nice. Nope, just kidding. Wow, how am I misreading this so badly? What happened there? What happened there? I didn't think I misread that bad, and then all of a sudden, man, that drop got away from me. Weird. Okay, not great though. Not great though. Potato moves like that. Oh boy. Oh brother. Oh, sister or mother. Let's go. Oh man, he's just sitting flat broadside. Oh yeah. Gotta love it. Gonna miss those ones though. Not gonna miss mine. Two good hits out of that. It's a tough fight. Just Sano up there. And a Phoenix. Come on. Come on. Yeah, he's gonna burn down. I'm not even gonna waste the drop. Yep, there we go. And he just went down. GG. GG. We got a beaching here. Two silly citadels. Come on. Oh yeah. Gonna get a couple of hits out of that one. That's cool. Another citadel. Oh my goodness. It's crazy. That's Gangu. I'm gonna get got over here if I don't take care of this cruiser that I know is aiming for me, coming for me, and hot probably. Yep, there he is. That's where the shots came from. Oh no. Oh, how do I want to play this? Is he gonna turn into me or is he even notice me? I feel like I got him. I sure golly did. Okay. Now let's keep working on this Gangoot. Get a couple more silly citadels maybe. Gosh. She was looking perilous there for half a sec, and then Captain Party Pants came to not play. Oh boy. Huh. Maybe. Yeah, let's just go forward and keep helping out the effort. Got no assist, and now we have just this poor Hermes out here. Just GG, everyone. Fun game to end on. Beautiful work. Couple dreadnoughts in there. Cool. Middle of the road. Maybe if not towards the bottom a little bit there, but you know what? We'll take that. Okay. Yeah. Well, I got a container of some kind, so... Oh, is this my daily reward I never opened? Alright. That's cool. Thank you. Now let's go in here and... Yeah! 3-1. 3-1 today. Interesting, my only defeat was in the Ranger. But boy, we cleaned it up in those lower tiers, am I right? Tier 3 guys? Haha. Alright. Well, it has been an absolute pleasure, Captains. I've been Captain Party Pants, signing out.